Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Narali back here again with another video for you guys, and today's video I'm going to be doing another transformation video, and today I'm going to be transforming myself into Natti Natasha. You already know she's Dominican and she's a baddie, and this is the picture that I'm going to be going off of, so I'm excited to do a makeup like that and get snatched. Hopefully that this goes well, and yeah, if you guys want to see how I transform myself into this, then just keep on watching and let's just jump right into the video. First things first, I start off with my Pond's cream to moisturize my face, because you already know you don't want any dry patches when you're about to put on your face makeup. And then I go in with the Creme eyeliner gel that I always use to fill in my eyebrows, and I start in from the outside and fill in towards the inside, and then I basically just fill it in until I like the way it looks. And excuse the way my eyebrows look, because I know I need to get them done right after this quarantine is done. But then I basically just repeat the same thing on the other eyebrow, and then I set them in place with the Brow Gel eyebrow gel. And after that, I use the Tarte concealer in the shade Tan Sand, and I conceal all my mistakes away, and yeah, basically just clean it all up. And then I go in with the Tarte Shape Concealer in the shade Medium, and I use this as my eyeshadow primer. After blending in the concealer, I go in with the Soft Glam palette in the shade Rustic, and I basically just use this as a transition color, and I use a darker transition color because the eye look was a little darker. And then I go in with the shade Cypress Umber and Noir, and I basically just put that on my outer corner and kind of blend it inwards, because again, the look was very dark, so you want to deepen the look up. Go in with these two lighter shades, Burnt Orange and Rustic, and I basically just blend that in to make sure that everything is blended seamlessly. And then I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Concealer in the shade Medium, and I'm basically just cutting my crease on both of my eyes. Once I cut my crease, I go in with the Morphe 35O palette in that white shade, and I basically just set the crease in place. And then I go in with the shade Rustic, and I basically just put that on my outer corner to make sure that there are no harsh lines. I go in with this Starstruck eyeliner by the brand Ciate London, and I basically just begin to wing out my eyeliner, and sadly it started to dry out, so then I had to switch over to the NYX Haute definition eyeliner, and I finished winging them both out on both of my eyes. Basically it for the eyes. Now I'm going in with the Fit Me Loose powder in the shade Medium, and I'm basically just applying that all over my face. And yeah, this is kind of like my new TikTok routine that I picked up. Then I'm going in with my MAC Fix Plus spray, and I don't know why I look like I'm scared of the bottle. Honestly, like I'm literally cringing just looking at me spray it, and I literally just missed my entire forehead when I applied it. We don't know. But anyways, I covered my eyes because I didn't want to burn my eyeshadow. And then I go in with the NYX Photo-loving Primer, and I basically just put that all over my face. Go in with the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat foundation in the shade Medium Beige, and I just blend that out all over my face. My dark circles, I go in with the Tarte Shape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand, and I basically just apply that under my eyes, and that just wasn't cutting it, so I go in with the shade Medium, which is a little lighter, and I blend that out. To set my concealer in place, I go in with the Kat Von D Lock-It translucent powder, and I put that under my eyes, and I also make sure to make my cheeks very defined before my contour goes on. Then I go in with the Smashbox Duo contour stick, and I basically do like a little triangle because her face is like more shaped like her forehead was a little bit more shaped like a triangle. And yeah, then on my cheekbones and on my nose, and you know the deal. Just I look crazy right now, I'm sorry, but it's okay because I'm blending it out, and then I'm gonna look snatched. So then with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, I go in with that middle shade, and I basically just go over the same spots that I cream contoured with. So then I take a beauty blender and basically just tap in the excess powder, and I also take some off with my brush, and then I go in with the Milani and the Note blushes, and I basically just put that on the apples of my cheek, and then I go in with this Ofra highlighter and I put that on, you know, my cheekbones. And yeah, your girl was glowing. And I also apply it on my nose in the middle of it, and I basically just blend it out with this brush by just like those tapping motions. And then I go ahead and apply my lashes. After applying my lashes, I go in with this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On eyeliner, and I put that on my waterline. And then I go in with the Bambi Eye Mascara by L'Oreal, and I basically just put the mascara over my lashes. The lips today, I actually went in with a couple different lippies. First, I go in with the Stila lipstick in the shade Biscotti, and I basically just lined my lips with this because I didn't have any nice lip liners. And then I go in with the Ofra lipstick in the shade Harbor, and I basically just put that as like an ombre effect type of thing. And then I go in with the this lipstick, cream lipstick in the shade Abstract by Urban Decay. After applying this lipstick, I found that the first lipstick I used was kind of a little dark, so I go in with the Joe lipstick in the shade Peanut Butter, and I kind of line it a little bit with that. And then I go in with this Catrice Cosmetics Infinite Lip Gloss and just add that little shine. Then I go back to my eyes in the shade Cypress Umber, and I basically just apply that to my lower lash line. I swear I'd be like all over the place when I'm doing my makeup because I just went from lips to eyes, but whatever. And then I'm finally done with the makeup look, and then I go on to my hair, and I basically just do like a sleek ponytail, and I pull all my hair back so that there are no flyaways. And honestly, I wish I would have done the ponytail a little bit higher because when I took the picture, I realized that it didn't look exactly like hers. But like, you know what? It's okay. I thought I still looked cute. But anyways, besides the point. Then I go in with the Curl Boss gel, and I basically just kind of try to lay my edges. I kind of really suck at this, but like I tried and I thought it looked kind of cute. And then I take one little piece of the hair and I basically just hide the ponytail, like the whatever you call it. Some people call it, I call it a ponytail. Not a ponytail, like the scrunchie, whatever you want to call it. And I hide that, and then I bobby pin it, and my face looks really weird as I was trying to bobby pin it. But yeah, then I just curl my hair, and that is basically it for the look. I really love doing these recreation looks because like this, for example, is not something that I would typically do. Like I feel like I never put like black on as eyeshadow unless it's like on the outer corner, it's like a little bit. And eyeliner I personally suck at, but I feel like I've gotten better, and this is like the new skill that I'm like coming out of quarantine with, knowing how to do eyeliner, because like I feel like that looks pretty good. I'm not gonna gas myself up because honestly people probably do it 10 times better than me, but I think it looks fire. But anyways, if you guys like these type of videos, make sure to comment down below and I'll make sure to do more of them for you guys. And if you guys like the video, then just make sure to like it, comment, and subscribe, and hit the little bell icon down there to get notified every single time I post. That was so awkward the way I said that. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.